Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this super cute and simple evil eye keychain. It's perfect as a good luck charm, a thoughtful handmade gift, or you can add it as a charm or a keychain to your bag. So let's get started. Firstly, make a magic ring with black yarn, which will be the base or center of our evil eye. After that, make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we'll make increase in each stitch and we'll have 12 single crochet at the end of this round. So in one stitch we'll make 2 single crochets, one and the second one in the same stitch. This way we'll have 2 stitches in one stitch. 1, 2. Then in the third stitch again we will make 2 single crochet, which will be an increase. This one is the fourth stitch. Then in fifth stitch and now we'll come to the last, which is sixth stitch. Now pull the yarn to close the magic circle. Pull it a little tightly. This is how it looks. And now we will cut the yarn. It shouldn't be too long. A little short will work. Pull out the yarn. And now we will weave this yarn to give this a perfect circle. Yarn your needle and take the needle in the center of the next stitch. Let me zoom it. Just right the next stitch. There is a V shape. In that center you need to take the yarn at the back to give it a perfect shape of circle. And then leave the yarn at the back. Now this is a perfect circle. Now insert your hook in any of the stitch and add glue yarn like this and then chain 1. Now we will make a half double crochet in the same stitch where we inserted the new yarn. So go back to the same stitch and make a half double crochet. We will also weave along the yarn that is left at behind, the black one and the blue one together. Pull through all the 3 loops. This is our first half double crochet. And now in the second stitch we will make half double crochet increase, which means 2 half double crochet in that same stitch. One is done. The another one will be in the same stitch like this. We will repeat this pattern. Again I am showing it to you. Make a half double crochet in the next stitch and then increase in the next stitch, which is 2 half double crochet in the same stitch like this. Repeat this in this whole round, which is our round 3, and we'll meet at the end. Now I'm at the last half double crochet, so I'll make a half double crochet increase in the last stitch and then we'll slip stitch in the first stitch. If you're confused to find the first stitch, count it backward, and on the 18th stitch you'll make a slip stitch. This is my 18th from the backward, so I'll make a slip stitch and close this round. Our round is complete. Now we'll cut off the yarn to attach the next white yarn. So again we'll cut this, pull it out, and since it's a perfect circle, we don't need to weave this like we did in black one. Now we will attach the white yarn for our round 4, but you have to attach it in the same stitch where we just made our first slip stitch. Okay, you can see in the same stitch. Let me show it clearly to you. You can see there is a V. The way you have made the slip stitch, in that same stitch you have to go, attach your white yarn, pull it out. As you can see, I have made it in the same stitch, and then chain 1. Now we will make half double crochet in that same stitch and also weave along that blue yarn. First we'll make a half double crochet in that same stitch. As you can see, don't forget to weave in the ends of the yarn. Now we have completed the first half double crochet. Now we'll make our second half double crochet in the second stitch. There we have to make an increase, so there will be 2 half double crochet in that same stitch. This is our first half double crochet, and then again we will make a half double crochet in that same stitch, making it an increase. Now we are going to make our third half double crochet. Actually it's a fourth half double crochet in the third stitch. So this is our pattern: a half double crochet, then a half double crochet increase, and then again a half double crochet. I'm going to repeat it to show it to you all. A half double crochet, then a half double increase, which is 2 half double crochet in that same stitch, and then again a half double crochet. We are going to repeat this process for this round 4, and now I'm at the last half double crochet. Also, as you can see, it doesn't have to be flat, it needs to be a little curved. If it's coming out curved, you don't need to worry. Now, as I told you earlier, count it backward, and in the 24th stitch you need to make a slip stitch. So this one is my 24th stitch. Then I'm gonna make a slip stitch. This way our round 4 is complete, and as you can see, it's a little curved. You don't have to make it a flat. Cut the white yarn, not too long again. Pull out the yarn, and now attach the blue yarn in the same stitch where we made our slip stitch. I'm going to attach my dark blue yarn and chain 1. Pull that white thread and we'll weave it along. Don't leave it, you need to weave it along. Then make a half double crochet in that same stitch where we attached our blue yarn. Weave the yarn along, pull it a little tightly to close the gap. Our first half double crochet is done. Now we will make a half double crochet increase in the next stitch. This round is exactly same as the round number 4. At the end of this round we will have 32 stitches. I'm going to make again a half double crochet in the same stitch to make an increase, then a half double crochet in the next stitch. So this is the pattern: half double crochet, then an increase, and then again a half double crochet. And now I'm at the last stitch, so I'm going to make a half double crochet and close this round with a slip stitch. Again slip stitch in the first stitch, or you can count backward, and in the 32nd stitch you need to make a slip stitch. Now we have completed the round 5, and as you can see it's round and curved like a hemisphere, or you can say as a bowl. It doesn't need to be flat. Now cut off the yarn and leave a little longer thread to weave in later. Pull out the yarn. To make the back side, crochet another circle of the same size using the same pattern and the same color. Now I have completed the another part. I'm gonna cut the yarn and fasten off. So we have two of the same pattern. We are going to join this. As you can see, it's a curve like a bowl. Now we will put all the leftover yarn inside except the yarn that we just cut off, which is the blue one, the outermost part of the evil eye. In the second one also we will put all the leftover yarn inside. Now we will join both the pieces together. So for that, place the both circles together, wrong side facing in. Now flatten them. Insert the hook in any of the stitch. In both the parts like this, and then in another part also insert in stitch. And now we will join it with a blue yarn, the dark blue one that we have just used for the outer part. Leave a little long thread so that we can weave it in later. Insert it and make a chain to join this. And now we will make a slip stitch in the same stitch where we just joined the new yarn. Like this. And now we'll join this whole part with a slip stitch. Insert in the next stitch of both the parts and then make a slip stitch again. Then make another slip stitch in the next stitch, and that way join both the circles with slip stitch. Don't forget to fill the fiber inside to make it look fluffy and cute. After filling it with fiber, again start making slip stitch and then join the both parts. This way you need to make the slip stitch all along, and here we have completed all the slip stitch. In the last stitch I'll make our last slip stitch. Insert in both the parts and make a slip stitch. To make it more secure, I'm going to make another slip stitch in the first slip stitch that we made in the very beginning, like this. So now our evil eye is completed. Leave a long thread. I'm leaving a long thread because I'm going to sew the keychain without it jumping, so it is more secure in that way. If you don't want it, you don't have to leave a longer thread like this. You can also attach it with a jump ring, but I find it more secure done with yarn. So this is our eagle eye complete. Now we will weave in both the last ends of the last row, the thread that we just left inside. But first I'm gonna attach the keychain. So take your keychain without the jump ring. To join your keychain with thread like I'm doing, you need to thread your yarn and then take the keychain without the jump ring, of course. Put it inside like this. After inserting the keychain in the thread, you need to attach it together. So for that, make 2 to 3 knots. I have made 4 to make it secure and tight. You don't have to be precise or very neatly done. Just make 2 or 3 knots like I am showing in this video. Just copy it. I'm making it 4 times. So again I'm making one, and now it's done. It's attached very securely, it's not gonna come off. And then I will weave in the yarn whatever it's left. So for that you can see what I'm doing, the very known process. Now cut off the yarn and like this weave both the ends that is left with these two ones. And now as you can see, our little evil eye keychain is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment below what you would like me to make next. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.